This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
This video pertains only to Avenger models equipped with 40TE and 41TE 4-speed transaxles. The automatic transaxle fluid and filter should be changed and the magnet cleaned at the recommended intervals. Apply the parking brake, then raise the front of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Place a suitable container under the transaxle pan and loosen the pan bolts. Completely remove all of the bolts except the ones along the rear of the pan. Top the corner of the pan and pry it if necessary, enough to break the seal and allow the fluid to drain into the container. The remaining bolts will prevent the pan from separating from the transaxle. Remove the remaining bolts. Pry the filter from the valve body. If the O-ring does not come out with the filter, be sure to retrieve it from the bore in the valve body. Remove the old sealant from the pan and transaxle body, and don't nick or gouge the sealing surfaces. Then clean the pan magnet with a clean, lint-free cloth. Install a new filter and O-ring. And reinstall the magnets. Apply an 1/8 inch speed of RTV sealant to the pan sealing surface and position it on the transaxle. Install the bolts and tighten them in a crisscross pattern to 19 foot-pounds on 40TE and 41TE transmissions. Work up to the final torque in 3 or 4 steps. Safely lower the vehicle. Add 4 quarts of the required type of transaxle fluid, using a funnel to prevent spills. Start the engine and allow it to idle for a minute. Then move the shift lever through each gear position, ending in park. With the engine still running, check the fluid level by removing the transaxle fluid dipstick from the filler tube. Wipe it clean the first time, then reinsert it into the filler tube until it is fully seated. Pull the dipstick back out and note the fluid level. The level should be between the 2 upper reference holes as shown, at normal operating temperature. If necessary, add more fluid to bring it up to the correct level. Add a little fluid at a time between checking, and be careful not to overfill it. Also check for any leaks around the pan. Insert the dipstick and make sure the dipstick is completely seated to prevent foreign material from entering the transaxle.